This is in continuation to our discussion on quantitative techniques, which is under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. In this, we are going to discuss some of the model questions. This is part 15. First question, simplify 1605 multiplied by 1605. So we can write this as 1605 the square. That can be splitted as 1600 plus 5 the whole square. So this is similar to a plus b the whole square, and that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Applying that, we will have now 1600 the square plus 2 times 1600 into 5 plus b square, which is 5 square here. So that will be equal to 1600. 16 square is 256. Since there are 2 zeros, it will become now 4 zeros. Plus 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 1600 becomes 16,000 plus 25. So if we add all these three terms, we will get 2576025. So that will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next one. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. Find the number. So we'll assume the number as, let the number be x. Now they say this number is as much greater than 36. As is less than 86 means x minus 36 is the same as 86 minus x. So if I take that negative x in the right hand side to the left hand side, it will become positive x. Bring that negative 36 in the left hand side to right hand side, it will become positive 36. So 86 plus 36 becomes 122. Now we have 2x is equal to 122, which means our x will be 122 divided by 2, that will become 61. That will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. If A star B star C, I mean here star is the operator and that operator is defined as square root of A plus 2 multiplied by B plus 3, whole thing divided by C plus 1. Then find the value of 6 star 15 star 3. So wherever A is there, we will be substituting 6. B, wherever it is there, we will be substituting with 15. And C will be substituted with 3. So this becomes now square root of A, which is 6 plus 2 multiplied by B, which is 15 plus 3. The whole thing divided by C. C is 3 plus 1. So if we evaluate, we will get square root of 6 plus 2, 8, 15 plus 3, 18. Whole thing divided by 4. That will give you square root of 8 8s are 64. 6 plus 8 is 14 by 4, which is square root of 144 can be written as plus or minus 12 divided by 4. So the result will be plus or minus 3. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. If logarithm of 125 to the base 10 plus logarithm of 8 to the base 10 is x, then what is x? That is the question. So x will be, since it is like log a plus log b, log a plus log b, both are having the same base, means we can write this as logarithm of ab to the base c. So we will apply this here. So we will have now logarithm of 125 multiplied by 8 to the base 10, because both are having the common base 10. That is equal to logarithm of 125 into 8 is 1000 to the base 10. Now 1000 can be written as 10 cube to the base 10. Now applying again, for example, logarithm of a to the base b, a power n to the base b is n log a to the base b. Applying that, we will have now 3 logarithm of 10 to the base 10. Again, log a to the base a is always 1. Using that property, we will have now 3 multiplied by 1. So the result is 3. Let us move on to the next question. In how many ways can the letter of the word leader be arranged? The number of letters in the given word, in the word leader, equal to 6 letter word, and here E repeats or E occurs twice. Therefore, number of ways will be 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. This and this gets cancelled. We'll get 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 4, 120, 120 into 3, 360 ways. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. X does a work in 10 days and Y does the same work in 15 days. In how many days they together will do the same work? So they gave X does a work in 10 days, which means 1 day work of X will be 1 by 10. Similarly, 1 day work of Y will be, they gave us 15 days. That means 1 day work will be 1 by 15. Therefore, 1 day work of X plus Y means together if they work, then it will become 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Here the LCM in the denominator is 30. So we get 3 plus 2, we get 5 by 30. Sorry. 5 by 30 can be written as 1 by 6. This indicates that together X and Y will complete the work in 6 days. That is the solution for this particular question.